can easily go. Yoink.
Make it.
Look at that, it's perfect. You whore.
Is that the same one Casey has?
No, mine's the new one.
See?
You guys
Cheeto!
It's 419.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
I love us. How perfect is
No, I
this?
hate us. We have no weed. We have to hit resin on 419 or 420.
I got Cheetos in my teeth. I'm going for some more. I don't.
What's more important to you, Anne? Food or weed?
That's an easy answer.
I will just put these back in. Is this resin?
Yes.
I just spit all over it.
Good job.
I got that slobber McGill on. Your battery's gonna die.
Fail.
It's halfway, Ashley.
That means we have like 2 hours left of fucking video, dude. What are you thinking, Anne?
Boom!
Ah!